Hi guys, what's up? So you see, will be like more building videos, hacker building videos, and hacker building videos. So let's fun it. So I have a brand new Minecraft account, and so I'm gonna show you two of my build hacks in Minecraft. Okay. Two build hacks. Okay. Two build hacks. Two build hacks. Two, okay, two. Okay, great. So I'm gonna show you my two best build hacks. Okay. I'm gonna build the big. I'm gonna build the a build hack to let's see. Okay. What? Two build two. Okay. The number one is a donut. Okay, so block up coal and get a pink concrete and um gray terracotta and red and orange, yellow, green, blue carpets. Okay, so that's what we need. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the shape of circle. Okay, boom, boom, no, boom, 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 boom. Okay, a little bit more, and there we go. Circle and this one. They're gonna I'm gonna put the brown there because it's a donut. Two build hacks. And now I forgot. Time for the hook. Time for the hole. Time time for the pink. Guys, time for the pink. Time for the pink. Yeah guys, time for the pink. And almost there. Okay guys. Almost there and done. It's kind of little bit look like a donut. Okay, the carpets, the yellow carpet, the orange carpet, and the green carpet, and the blue carpet. Boom, 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 boom. So, 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 we're gonna show you my build hacks. So, this is the first one. Look at it. Is it good? Rate 1 to 10 in the comments. Now time for the last one. It's gonna be a big one. So we need nether bricks because this icon is gonna be red, and uh light gray concrete and a con and a white concrete powder. Okay, time for my special time for my legendary pickaxe. So we're gonna build 5 triangle. So this is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, now block them. Yeah, just like that. Build a 10 blocks high. One, one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 9, 10. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9, 10. So so that's 10 blocks, and over here, and boom, 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 boom. Okay, straight line, 8 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 7, 8. Okay, okay. One, okay, okay, okay. Do 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 do. Okay. Now time for the um the right one. Time for the right one. Okay. Boom. 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 Almost there. Boom. 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 And yeah. Oh my gosh. What is this? Okay, so time for the um um white gray concrete. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Oh my, almost there. Okay, now time for the rest. Okay, okay. Do 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 do. Oh my, yeah, it's okay. Bum 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 bum. Let's start with this one. Whoa. Okay, okay, we read up this. Okay. Do 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 do. Place more. Place a couple. Okay, arms there. Boom, boom, boom. Let's just spam the button. Okay, they're falling. Okay, time for the spam button again. Okay. Boom, 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 boom. Oh my. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. Boom, 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 boom. Ooh. Okay. Let's start with this one. Chat color. Back to my build X. Okay. Boom. Ooh. I think I'm placing too much items. Okay, please. Oh! Okay, there's probably monsters everywhere. Spam the button again. No, 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 no. Dong, 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 dong. Okay, almost there. Guys, and two more. Oh my. Ooh. Wait, guys, I'll be right back. I'm back, guys. Oh. Okay. Back to the top. Guys, is night. But let's do a block, please. A human place. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, okay. Now time for the map. Time for the map. Okay. Time for the map. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom. Boom. Yeah. And boom. Now time for the eyes. The eyes. Oh my, it looks scarier in the mobs. Oh my. Blue wall, stupid wall. And now time for a carbon this dip slide. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. On there. Okay. Now, boom. Guys, I'm tired of working, but bye bye. Like, subscribe, share, and comment. Build more stuff in Minecraft, and we will do that in 100 likes. And bye bye. Bye bye.